This video is all about hashtags. So if you're stuck with your Instagram hashtag strategy, then you need to stick around to the end of this video because I am getting into all the details about how you should be using hashtags on Instagram. Also, make sure to stick around for your free gift and you don't want to miss this one. If you're new to my channel, my name is Dr. Yazdan. I am a cosmetic dentist in Newport Beach, California, and I have built my entire business using Instagram alone. For the past few years, I've been helping other healthcare professionals do the same. And now I'm also going to help you. So before I get into all the details of this video, I want to make sure that you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my videos. So first, let's start with talking about what hashtags actually are. Hashtags are little search engines inside of Instagram that actually help you get seen. They're a great way to grow on Instagram and they help you grow slowly over time. Hear what I'm saying? They help you grow slowly over time. They are not made to get you a bunch of followers overnight. But if you're using a hashtag strategy properly, you will be able to get found and it can definitely help you grow. So here's the thing. I see hashtags as stumble upon marketing. Now, I'm a cosmetic dentist and I have used Instagram to build my business, like I mentioned earlier. But let's be honest, nobody is searching on Instagram to find their dentist. But people find me because they stumble upon my page. Stumble upon marketing is basically when somebody is just browsing the web, or in this case, Instagram, and they stumble upon your photo or your profile or your video and your content in general. And when they stumble upon your page, you want their reaction to be like, wow, I didn't know that this was the thing that I needed right now. By the way, if you're in my program, Grow with the Gram, make sure to go back to do the lesson on hashtags and do the work for that section. It's a game changer. If you're not in my program, no worries, I got your back. Continue watching because you're gonna get access to a hashtag guide that will help you with your Instagram hashtag strategy. That is the free gift that I'm giving you at the end of this video. So make sure you stay tuned so you can get that link. So going back to the stumble upon marketing, the goal is that when people are on hashtags and they're searching for something, that they stumble across your account and they're like, oh, wow, I was here looking for recommendations of what to eat, but I didn't know that the thing that you have to offer is the thing that I need right now. So what do I mean by this? Well, let me give you an example. If you're a therapist that helps new moms cope with the transition and you're talking about your services on Instagram, it's unlikely that someone is going to be on Instagram looking for their therapist. Most new moms probably aren't even aware that they need a therapist to cope with the change. However, if you start using hashtags that are outside of the box, such as retail therapy or mom life or newborn baby, when those people are looking up these types of hashtags and they stumble across your account and all of a sudden, there you are talking about how to cope with the transition, talking about how to deal with the lack of sleep, talking about all the changes that happen in a woman's body. Your ideal patient will be drawn to you and they will realize that you are the thing that they need right now. That is how you get new followers that transition into a new patient. If you are, on the other hand, using hashtags that are relevant in your field, such as therapist problems or therapist memes or therapist life, you're likely going to attract other therapists. So that's why I said you need to think outside of the box a little bit. You want to make sure that you are using hashtags that your ideal patient would use. Now, if you're unfamiliar with who your ideal patient actually is, then what I want you to do is I'm going to link to my ideal patient video, and that should help you nail down exactly who your ideal patient is. So the key to your hashtag strategy should be specificity. Use hashtags that your ideal patient is looking for, not necessarily the hashtags that your colleagues will use to find you. In order to identify what these hashtags actually are, you need to put yourself in the shoes of your ideal patient. What is it that they are looking for? How do they spend their spare time? What was the last show that they watched? Once you can really target who your ideal patient is, you'll be able to answer all of those questions. Now, I know I said I'm linking to my ideal patient video, but if you're still having trouble with this, then I'm also going to be linking to my favorite blog post in the description below so that you can get some some help identifying exactly who your ideal patient actually is. Now, before I go, I want to give you one last tip. I want to make sure that you use smaller variations of hashtags. For example, if a hashtag has 1 million posts to it, then I definitely wouldn't recommend posting a photo using that hashtag because it will be difficult for your photo to be seen. When you use a hashtag that has less posts to it, like for example 150,000 posts to it, your photo has a bigger chance of being seen and you have a higher chance of being ranked in the top posts for that hashtag. This will help you get discovered. I hope that this video gave you some clarity on how you can start developing your hashtag strategy for your business. Now, I have a game changer for you. I've created a hashtag strategy guide to help you come up with the hashtags that you will need in order for your account to get found. Make sure to download it from the description just below this video. It's going to save you so much time and make your posts so much more effective. It's really going to help people find you through hashtags as well. It's also really going to help people find you through those hashtags, so make sure you download it from the description below this video. I also want to encourage you to actually do the work. I want you to download the guide, I want you to do the exercises, and I really want you to nail down your hashtag strategy. If you need any help, make sure to leave a comment below because I'm always happy to help. And you know you can find me on Instagram. I hope you truly enjoyed this video and I hope that it was helpful for you. I want to make sure that if you didn't already do so, you subscribe to my channel, and I would love if you could like this video and share it with your fellow healthcare professionals. Before I let you go, I want you to know to not be shy. If you need help, I am always happy to help. Okay, so this is your last reminder. I want you to download that hashtag strategy guide from below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.